Go to Google Chrome, then type here Kaiber.ai and then click on Kaiber. You'll get this interface. So now click on Create. Here you need to register. So register with your email. Then click on Register. And now click on Create your first video. Then you'll get this notification, start your free trial for 7 days. So click on that. Click on start your free trial.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying.
And here you'll get the payment option, which only after paying you can use it for free for 7 days with after paying the amount. So we'll go to another website where you can create exactly same like as Kaiber. So we'll go back and here we'll type Genmo Genmo.ai. Then click on the first link, that is Genmo.ai, and click on create your video. Here you can get 3 options: search, create and upload. I'll click on upload and upload a picture. The second step, here you can edit the prompt. So I'll give your make her wear Wonder Woman dress. So you can increase or decrease the time duration also, and upper side you'll get the field, that is the credit points. So click on make video. And you can see it is almost done, and this is the final output.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change.